This pest is an insect pest. This pest has it damages the whole field, and then only you are getting very less yield in that the field which is affected by this fall armyworm. And the same in case of vegetables, what he quoted problems they are they are the small insect pests. They are like the whitish and that we call it as like white flies and other insect pests. We have aphids. Generally, they are sucking pests and they take all the nutrients from the plants and apart from upon taking the nutrients and they cause symptoms and you can see the visible symptoms in the plants and then it will damage the whole plant. These are the main problems in maize as well as this in vegetable crops. And for this management, and we have certain biopesticide products with us, what we produce from our CPGS campus, and even you can spray this neem oil. You can get this formulation in market also in your local markets. Neem oil. You can spray this neem oil for this control of this insect sucking pest in vegetables. And dosage and everything is normally we use 5 ml per liter and 3 ml per liter of water. We prepare this formulation and we can directly spray these formulations in the standing crop.
Nam trai con nó iba du span guru hadam mo kichwa mo. Tekon nam ta u hadam jong pilai wen kunang au tu kunang baba mi sa do biam ba selong kong pi utu kal da kai kal follow mi wa. Ha tamara kasih ram di kilo kunang hi. Kunang bagi em masuk bau jutaan iba mi sa iba mo preng hi ya mo. Dan nam ta u tu ni ni jawai mo na. Dan so no seu juru. Dia juru mo Umiam kita ambil orang lain itu orang yang her itu kita hari ini kita update semua dan juga sih dalam pembukaan itu orang bah ini kita berdiri di her param hero ini kita dijet jadi itu yang dijet itu juga badan apa itu dijet kita nam dan kita action apa itu jadi bah ya dua baru dua nama dan kuma menyadari kita apa deh dan tidak ada udah di bio kasih saya mah ibu bicara begini dalam video ini dan dalam ada pun di awal semua tetapi awalan dan aisan